Hello, this is Itai Leviton at investingLive, looking at Palladium technical analysis via this 1 hourly chart. The readers that are interested in Palladium price levels can also check out the article that I published about half an hour ago called Palladium Technical Analysis: What's Next After 14% Collapse Since Friday. In that article, they could find some decision support and interesting insights from our very unique order flow intel analysis, which looks at hints uh, from the order flow data. If, for example, buyers are being more aggressive and at what levels, as well as they have some good other key levels derived from the volume area and other things that institutionals traders may be looking at. This is another perspective. Technical analysis, I believe, is never through only one lens. I think the more perspectives you get to form a picture, the better. Here on the 1 hourly chart, I'm starting to look from the August low, and the left side of the chart, you can see it later on your charts. It's after basically a 20% correction from 2 months prior. So this is a major pivot on the on the August 27th, 2025. And we have also a nice channel, this yellow channel, and we had one back test of it after basically price crossed up that channel, which is quite bullish because this is a potential bear flag if it crosses down. But when a channel that is slanting upwards, if price breaks up to the upside, it's especially bullish. We went up to about 1,550 on the 9th of October, went down to backtest that channel, went up again all the way to the 50-week range high, just shy of 1,700. And on basically today, after the Friday collapse, we had another decline today as the futures market opened, getting to a low of 1,456.5, a perfect backtest again. Second backtests are quite typical, and also we are very near the 1,500 round number, a good psychological number. As I wrote on my Palladium technical analysis, we had a 14% collapse, as mentioned, since the high of Friday till the low of today. And that is quite significant. So, having a retracement up now, even a temporary one, where you can, if you manage it well and take some partial profits on the way, and raise your stop to the entry, if and once that happens, then it's a good way to mitigate your risk and capture a profit, even if that retracement up is temporary. So good spot overall. We also have from that same pivot point, we have an anchored VWAP, and while it hasn't tested previously that first upper standard deviation, it is doing so now. Okay, of course it pierced it down, possibly also to stop some hunts and to create that back test on the channel. It is also very likely that price is throwing both traders off at the 1,500 round number. But this area is an interesting area to look at. And there's also a point of control from today's session at 1,489, and we are just about there. The value area low is at 1,477, so price is still within today's value, developing value area. So, all in all, a legit area to do a contrarian long, in my humble opinion. Also, check out the article of Palladium Technical Analysis. What's next after a 14% collapse? Four possible areas of stops if that premise changes. And we also have, of course, the investinglive.com stocks Telegram channel where you can get more specific trade ideas, including partial take profits and stops also on this Palladium futures trade idea. Thank you and have a good week.